Hi guys! So today I received my new DT parcel from Craft O'Clock and I'm really in a hurry to show it to you because it's just so beautiful. What we have here is the new collection, brand new summer collection, Ocean Deep by Karolina Bukowska. Let's see inside, it's just so gorgeous again. I'm gonna open this big paper pad for you and let's scroll through the pages. This is again vintage, mint and brown and blue colors, really complex designs, and looks amazing. Wow, look at this! It's just so gorgeous. Wow, I love it. I love all the backgrounds, the complex mixed media backgrounds, because all you need is just to add some decorations and maybe some more mixed media details, and the page is ready already. So it's really making your job easier, I'd say. This is also beautiful. So here we go. This is Ocean Deep. This is a marine collection, and as always, together with the 12x12 inch pad, they also have the smaller pad, 8x8 inch, and it's quite thick actually. There are many pages inside. They're double designs, and they also have the smaller pad, 6x6 inch, and the beautiful rice paper. Let's see inside, because I love the rice papers a lot. The clock ones are just really good quality and beautiful designs, and I use them all up all the time. See the ship and the mermaid, really nice. And they also have, as usual with each collection, the color chipboard, or they call it cardboard die cuts, and the extra set. Let's see inside, because this is something new for me also. Extra set, so I guess it's just some images to cut. Wow, oh, this is nice. Some flowers. Actually, it's on the both sides, see? And some leaves, and more whales and mermaids. Also double-sided. This is actually gorgeous, because if you cut out this mermaid, it will be colored on the both sides actually. It's super convenient for 3D objects, for example, for 3D projects, for pop-up albums. See how many? This is a really thick set with lots of die cutting to do. If you like to, I mean fussy cutting, if you like to fussy cut, so this is a treasure. Gorgeous. Let's put this away, and I will also show you the carbon paper. Let's take it out. Looks like this, and oh wow, this is good. I immediately have an idea what I'm going to do with this one, and some more. Really nice. And also, as all the mixed media collections, this one also has the cover paper here with the roses and the wood texture. And what I've got also was the new cardboard die cuts with the quotes, also beautiful brown vintage. And that's it for the Ocean Deep. Let's see what else I've got in my parcel. I'll move this aside and I'll show you another beautiful collection, which is summer, actually, summer flowers, summery collection by Reina Ludwinska. And this is something totally different, cheerful and colorful. And let's maybe see the let's see this one, the smaller pad. I'll take out some pages and some sheets, and we'll see her designs. Lots of flowers, lots of positive pink and yellow colors and violet, cheerful, and there are several designs inside and they are repeating themselves, so you can use these in very multiple ways actually. Cool. Also some color chipboard and some summer flowers extras. Let's oh, there are more actually. There are junk journal extras and some extras to cut. Let's see these ones. Some bicycles, lots of flowers. Oh, see the books. Flowers, flowers, more flowers. Oh, the butterflies. You can just fussy cut yourself. I don't know, for the whole summer I'm probably supplied with fussy cutting right now. And some Provence details, lavender and bicycles again, really beautiful. Today it's very hot in Estonia. It's incredible, almost, I don't know, 37 degrees. I've never seen that before, so these kind of collections suits my day very well. And there are also some other carbon papers. And what else I've got in my parcel were some one color mood design papers. I'll show you. I could pick my colors, and what I picked was brown, for example. Brown set with the flowers. Also a yellow set, like this one. It's just different textures in yellow color, and some flowers and die cuts in yellow color. And gray. So all of them are quite vintage, calm shades. Like I like it, but you can also purchase from Craft-O-Clock all other different colors as you like them. For example, bright fuchsia or I don't know, mint color, some teal, some pink, some blue, just whatever you like best. I picked these ones, and I'm definitely gonna use them all. So thank you for your attention, and thank you Craft-O-Clock for such a wonderful parcel once again. Here in the description I'll put some links to where you can find Craft-O-Clock brand online. See you soon on my channel with the new inspiration with all these papers. Thank you, bye bye!